Hello, welcome. Today I will show you my to-do list application using REACTJS and API. So let's visit the site first. This is my to-do-list application using REACTJS and API also. I will show you add some to-dos. Here, if I will type my name and click on add button, here you can see it is added. If I will also type anything else, it will add it to my to-do. If I wanted to delete it, here you can see you have to click on this delete button. It will be deleted. And if you will click on this form, you will see the recent. Also here you can add with the recent also and delete it. So this is my to-do list application using REACTJS and API. So I will show you my code. This is my Git repository of to-do list application using React. First I will show you in my public folder. I will show you the code of index.html. So let's go to the index.html. In the index.html I don't have make any changes. It is already handwritten. I just have given a link for the bootstrap here and a title TODO-LIST App, and all the code is already given to you. So I don't have to make any changes in it. Now I'll show you my src folder, and in the app.js file, first we will see here I have given an import React user set function from React, and I import to-do-list from the to-do-list folder, and CSS from the app.css I have imported. And for the fetching API I have used the bootstrap function and fetched the API through the small magician function. And for the set task and set to-dos I have used a use state function. And for the set task I have used a change handling function here. Fetch it and give the response to the JSON. And after that, for the new to-dos I have used a post function here for setting the new to-dos. And use the fetch the API output and response the data from the JSON. And after that, for the delete handler, I have used a const delete function for the index value and fetch the API for delete. And const new to dos, I have used a function here for filter the new to dos and give the index value, and after that return it. And in the div class I have used a class name card and card body, and in the h1 tag I have used a card title to-do-list app. And in the form I have given a on submit function for the submit handler. And for the input size I have used 30. For the type I have given the text. For the name I have used a task, and value I have given the task. And on change I have used a change handler function. And for the input type I have used a submit, and given the value add and a name add. If you will click on add, it will submit the to-dos for you. And for the to-do list I have used a delete handler for the delete the to-dos. Now we'll show you my CSS. Here it is my CSS app.css. In the app.css, for the input I have used a border radius of 5 px, and h1 tag I have used a margin of 15 px, and a text decoration I have given a antique color, and input type I have given a submit. For the background color I have uses a green yellowish, and padding 0, 20, 0 and 20 px. And for the buttons I have used a background color of red, color blue, padding 2 px, border radius 3 px. And for the add button I have used a background color brown and the font display block. Now we'll show you my TODO-LIST.js, where I have used the delete function. Here this is my delete function. Here I have imported the React from React, and const function uses for the delete handler and return it. And in the div class I have given here to-do list dot map for the function. In the div class I have uses a key as an index, and in the h5 heading I have uses on click button here for the delete handler and given the name delete here, which will you can see in the red color, the delete button. I have uses this for that. So this was my to-do list application using React.js. Thank you.